Gigi Benitez.
And I'm Mike Aon.
And we're here today to introduce to you to a brand new rare find in the highly desirable neighborhood of Otay Ranch.
This 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home is a little under 3,000 square feet and completely remodeled and gorgeous.
Come check it out with us.
And it's all electric when it feels this good. When it feels this good. Someone call a doctor, 'cause I'm catching something. Yeah, my body's shaking, 'cause this groove is rocking. When it feels this good. When it feels this good. Makes you wanna go. Makes you wanna go. Na 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 na. Put your hands together now.
Call us now for your own private viewing or to check out any other home in San Diego.
We look forward to hearing from you.
Hands together now.